So we made it to Galactic Grill, and we have got ourselves the new Wookie Parfait.
Parfaits are delicious.
I gotta be honest, I'm pretty choked that Darth by Chocolate is no longer around, but yeah, thumbs down to that. I had the one time I was here, I had that, and it changed my life, and I've been wanting it ever since. Nonetheless, the Wookie Parfait is here. It looks pretty darn good though too. It's a chocolate sponge cake, chocolate pudding, caramel mousse, chocolate coffee crust, and chocolate pearls. Let's taste this guy. So it's a pretty big bite. I gotta get the whole thing now. I like it. It's actually very good. It's not nearly as good as Darth by Chocolate. Like nowhere close to Darth by Chocolate. It is very good. I don't really taste the coffee, and I'm not a coffee guy, so that's at least good.
I don't like coffee.
Aesthetically, it looks pretty awesome. You definitely get that richness in the mousse part, like that bit. It's definitely really, really rich. Nice moist cake. And you can get the crunch of the pearls, which kind of adds a little element to it. So I really do like it.
Okay, so my first thoughts on this are that I think they should have kept this piping. It's really cool. It's Chewbacca's fur, but they should have done it around the whole parfait, not just in the middle, because the way they did it, it looks a little bit like dog poop, which is slightly unappetizing. Oh, that was good.
Good? Yeah. It's not Darth by Chocolate good, but it is very, very good.
It's better than the other desserts here, good.
Yeah.
And the other desserts are pretty good, so this means this is amazing.
It's a worthy replacement.
The difference between this and Darth by Chocolate is Darth by Chocolate is way richer, way more chocolatey. This one tastes a bit more like a sweeter cake, sort of. Like, it's good chocolate cake, but like more on the sweeter side. Darth by Chocolate was really rich and chocolatey, which made it so fantastic.
Most impressive.
But this is still just like basically chocolate cake in a cup. And I still suggest it because I love cake, and this is really darn good cake, so I'd still try this.
The Wookie Belt is white chocolate, so if you're wondering what that was, it's painted on the other side, as you can see, right? But it is white chocolate. The lesson we learned here is it's not always about looks, because Christina didn't like the way it looked, but it's about the taste first and foremost. So absolutely, if you're here for Star Wars, I absolutely recommend stopping and getting this. Not only does it look cool, it tastes awesome. If you're a big chocolate person, you're gonna really love this.